everyone, welcome back to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. On my channel, I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. As you read from my title, today I'll be doing the unboxing of my PR Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So if you're interested in seeing what I received this month in my Ipsy, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, you guys know the drill. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to the Perky family, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and select all in your notifications. This way YouTube hopefully will notify you the moment I do any uploads. And if you guys do end up loving my video, I would appreciate if you guys give me a big ol' thumbs up. But if you don't end up liking the video, by all means give me a thumbs down. Any engagement helps me figure out what videos and content you actually want to watch. And lastly, I want to remind you that I have a few days left to enter my active giveaway. So make sure once you're done with this video, head on over and enter. I will have it linked up in the card and down in the description. But anyways, let's get to it and let's start talking about some Ipsy. And let's go. So I've had my Ipsy actually for the past week. As many of you know, I had been injured for several weeks, so I couldn't really do much of any filming, but I'm glad to be picking up my schedule and slowly getting back into the groove. So I'm excited to be able to bring you guys January's Ipsy. So for our PR, they actually send us our packages inside a big brown box, I think, to make sure, you know, the postman don't steal it. And they also then box it into one of these guys. They offer the regular Glam Bag, which is a $12 a month subscription. We get 5 sample sizes, deluxe sizes, and sometimes even a full-size item for $12 a month. And it's stated to have like a minimum retail value of $50. Then we get Glam Bag Plus, which is honestly one of my favorites. I'm gonna put this down. Glam Bag Plus gives you 5 full-size items and you're able to customize. This is a big part. You're able to customize 3 out of your 5 items. That's really, really cool. With Glam Bag Plus, you're able to customize 3 out of your 5 items, which is really, really nice. You get a little bit more control of what you're gonna get each and every month. And usually choice day happens between the 2nd and the 3rd. Now, starting February, next month, so the next couple days, you guys, Ipsy's officially kicking off Glam Bag X. Glam Bag X will be a quarterly subscription where we get 7 to 8 full-size items, and it's stated to have $350 in value. Now, I don't know if it's just going to be for our first February bag, or if it's going to be like an ongoing quarterly for the $350 in value. We are going to be able to also customize 3 out of those items, which is also really cool in my opinion. So for Glam Bag X, their choice window will also be between the 2nd and the 3rd, just like Glam Bag Plus. I did make a video when it was first announced about Glam Bag X and going over some of the spoilers, so I will link that also in the cards and down in the description. So I will be making a blog post also going over the subscription services along with the Glam Bag X, because hopefully it will clear up any other information going forward. Alright you guys, so let's get to it and let's begin our Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unbagging. And let's go. Alright, so I'm going to begin my unbagging with the regular Glam Bag, which this month's bag came in this cute little bag and it says Dream It, which I forgot to mention. If I forgot to mention, this month's theme is Dream It, and I think it's actually a really good theme. So my card doesn't include any of the product information, but what I will do is in editing, I'll make sure to like write the pricing at least on the screen so you guys can see what the price of a full-size item would be and things like that. The Glam Bag is $12 a month. We get 5 samples, full-size and travel-size items. Now, the first item in the bag, which actually came outside, but I ended up jamming it in there when I resorted things out, was this Laruce, and I'm probably mispronouncing the name. It's their Kabuki concealer brush. This is a great brush. This one has more of a navy blue handle. Then we received a travel size or deluxe size sample of the Stila, what was it called again? The Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, and I got shade Patina. So Patina is kind of like this really nice mauve tone, which I actually already have this particular shade in a full size, so I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save it to either give it to someone or something like that, because it's a beautiful shade to let it go to waste when I still have more than half my tube available. But this is a very nice, comfortable liquid lipstick formula. Next, I received this from Youth of the People. This is their Kombucha plus 11% AHA exfoliation power toner with lactic plus glycolic black tea and tree bark. I'm really excited to try this out. I've heard amazing things about it. And like, for example, just again as a reference, you guys, this little guy right here, this travel size at Sephora, I've seen it for like $12 or $15 individually. So being that we're able to get basically this entire bag for the price of what a sample travel size would have been at Sephora, I think that's a great deal. And this way you're able to try out the formula, see if you like it before you invest in like a full size. Because I received from Byroe, New York. I'm sorry, you guys. I keep on trying to adjust the lighting, and this particular kind of salmon-y shade is just horrible. It just keeps on getting washed out. Salmon cream, and it's like a travel size. And then just reading what it says on the back, it says a luminosity rich cream that combines peptides and salmon caviar to effectively smooth, firm, and plump the skin. So next, I received this Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser from Kinship. Woo! Talk about a mouthful. This brand in general, I see it all over the place, and I'm really excited to give it a go. This is a gel consistency cleanser where, you know, a little bit goes a long way kind of deal, and it's a non-foaming, so it's just like a nice gentle hydrating cleanser. It says Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleanser, and here's the little tubey. This would probably be good for 2, maybe 3 uses, so that's really good. So I will not be wasting it in a sense of showing you guys a sample, because if I really want to give this guy a try. So those are the 5 items I received, you guys, in my Glam Bag for the month of January. And now for our Glam Bag Plus, which again, this month we got the little baggies, the little pouches that say Dream It All Around. Like, I really hope Ipsy eventually goes back to the other bags, because I really used to love those. So the first item I received is from IGK, Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. So I love this hair balm. I got this about 8 months ago, maybe, or less, from Boxy, and oh my gosh, I was literally down to about this much. So I had maybe enough for a few more uses, and I was going to be out. And this IGK is very expensive. Well, to me, anything is very expensive when it comes to hair care. For some reason, me, when it's hair care, anything over $10, I just feel is too expensive. But makeup and skincare, I'm more than fine spending the money. I need to stop that, because my hair needs it. Like, I need to buy some good products, like, badly. Then from Pure Less, I received the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, which is a hydrate and balances, prevents fine lines, preps skin for makeup. And this is meant for oily combination or normal to sensitive skin types. I've actually received this before in my own Glam Bag Plus, so I'm not going to use this. I'll just show you guys what the packaging looks like inside. So for now, I'm going to keep this sealed, but I do know Purely's has amazing skincare, and I'm always thankful to get good skincare. Next, from Cover FX right here, I received the Shimmer Veil in Celestial. Now this one I'll definitely open because I've heard great things and I wish I would have ordered some during add-ons. This is actually a really nice color. It's kind of like, you know, an eyeshadow topper or an eyelid topper. Creamy formula. Oh yeah, this feels like a nice creamy formula. And it's very iridescent. It has like a pinky flake and a little bit of a white or silver flake. So I'm excited to give this one a go. I then received the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. So here's the wand. The shape of this wand, it would actually be pretty easy to get all the way down to my base and comb up basically, and easily to get my bottom lash line with hopefully, this is my part I'm always scared of, with hopefully not messing up my lower lash line, because I have really high cheekbones, as you can see, even with my glasses, like they kind of touch right there, like barely. But usually when I do my lower lash lines, if for some reason I smiled or anything and my mascara was still a little bit wet, it gets it gets all over the place. So this mascara states extreme volume mascara, bragging rights included. Achieve maximum lash volume and fullness. You can't stop bragging about this jet black ultra volumizing mascara. Long wear, water resistant. So water resistant, not waterproof. I cannot pronounce this word. It's ophthalmologist reviewed, whatever that is. Gluten-free, alcohol-free. Yes. Last but not least, I received the Florence by Mills Mind Glowing Peel Off Mask. So this one most likely will go to my daughter. It's a cute little package. Ooh. Oh, shoot. I did not realize it was going to be this runny. So here's the cap. Oh wait, that mask is so runny, you guys. I did not expect that. So it's pretty full, as you guys can see, and it's filled to almost the top. So I am going to close this baby back down. There's a little bit of a fragrance I could sense, but I can't pinpoint it. It's not too overbearing, but there's definitely fragrance, and it kind of looks metallic-y. So this has purifying charcoal, draws out dirt and oil, while witch hazel and lavender oil keep skin cute and happy. That must be what I'm smelling. It's the lavender oil. So again, I'll see if I give this a try, because I try to reduce the amount of peel mask I put on my skin. Again, only because of my acne. It can actually aggravate my acne at times. But I'll keep you guys posted to let you guys know whether it's one of us that uses it and what our thoughts are. So that was my last item for my Glam Bag Plus. Now let me know what you guys think about both bags. Which bag do you think was the one with the better assortment? The Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus? Personally, again, if I had to pay for these bags, I would highly say that still the Glam Bag, you get, in a sense, the most bang for your buck, only because it's $12, you know, $12, and you're able to customize 1 out of the 5 items. And again, oftentimes you do get at least 1 full-size item in your bag. Like, I do like also Glam Bag Plus, but again, it's which one are you getting the most bang for your buck? And in my opinion, you do technically speaking get a bigger savings with Glam Bag Plus, but because I'm able to try out more products with Glam Bag, you know, I'm a little torn in my opinion, so I would love to hear your thoughts on which bag you think was the best out of the two. And what do you guys think? Which one is the most bang for your buck? And what was your favorite item, you know? Oh, and I just realized, you guys, I almost finished off this video without giving a shout out to Ipsy. In the beginning, I mentioned these bags were gifted to me by Ipsy. They were PR. But this month, along with our package, we received this really cool journal. And on the back, it says, Ipsy, discover yourself. And it does come with a pen. It's a nice kind of cardboard material. So cool. This is so neat. So in here, the months are blank actually. You're able to actually fill in your dates. So if you were going to start it, let's say February, you can start in February. And it goes monthly in the front, of course, and then it has like every week. And this is like a content creator calendar. So that's really, really cool. And you know, you have your checklist and doodles, and it's really, really nice. I do really love and appreciate this. And just so you guys know, I did see it actually available in Ipsy Shop. So on Ipsy Shop, if you guys have the subscription, they did have it where you can actually purchase it for $20. So this was on sale for 20 bucks. And they also gave us a box. Just kidding. I did take a peek at it. They gave us an Ipsy tumbler, and it has the colored themes of this month for Dream It. It has kind of like that marbly aqua kind of vibe. And this is ceramic, you guys, which is so neat. And it says by brand Gemline. I'm not sure, you know, that's the brand. And it has kind of like this bamboo lid. It can take hot or cold items, so that's really neat. So thank you again so very much, Ipsy, and thank you to all of you again for watching my videos. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Without you guys watching my videos, there's just, you know, there wouldn't be a point for me to actually create content, honestly. So I'm always forever grateful. Keep an eye out. Again, I'll be having my Ipsy blog post coming up hopefully in the next couple days. And once my blog post goes live, you guys, I'll make sure to tag it in the description, and I'll also share it on my community tab. But anyways, thank you all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you guys take care, be safe, and I will catch you on the next one. God bless.